What's up, everyone? Tom here, back again with another video. Today, I'm going to walk you through on how to set up your own Microsoft Defender XDR lab at home. So let's get started. All right, first thing that you do is go to this website in Microsoft Learn. What's good about Microsoft is they actually created an article or actually a guide on anyone that's interested in setting up their own Microsoft Defender XDR lab environment. But what I have noticed is it's a bit out of date. So even though it says here that it was created or updated on the 7th of January 2024, some of the steps here are different now when I actually follow these steps myself. So not to worry though, I'm going to walk you through each one of the step. So first off, you need to create a Microsoft 365. It says here Microsoft 365 E5 trial tenant, but that's not actually true. I'll let you know why in a bit. So the first step is you go to the Microsoft 365 E5 product portal. So when you click that, what you'll get instead is an Office 365 E5 site where you can actually do a free trial. Um, the thing is, though, Office 365 E5 is different from Microsoft 365 E5. So that one's a bit misleading there. So, but still, this is actually a requirement in order for us to get the required license that we need in order to spin up that Microsoft Defender XDR lab environment. So, first thing that you do is you go ahead and sign up for a free trial over here. All right, and then you pretty much just go through all the steps here to sign up for an account. So if you go back to the steps here, so that we've done that first step, we select free trial. You go through the trial registration process of filling in your email address, setting up your name, putting in your name, your last name, business phone number, company name, company size, etc., etc. And then once you're done with that, Microsoft will then prompt you to use multi-factor authentication. Microsoft uses their own multi-factor authentication app, so you just download that and then scan the QR code to set that up. Pretty straightforward. And then you set up your own custom domain name, so to your liking. Once that's done, that will set up the user, your first user, which is a global administrator for that whole tenant. And then step number 8 here says connect your corporate domain to the Microsoft 365 tenant. That's optional. If you have your own domain name, you can actually use that. Or if you don't, then you can use whatever existing one Microsoft is offering you. And then the rest of the steps here are also optional, wherein you create additional user accounts, download Microsoft Office, migrate email messages, et cetera, et cetera. And then going on down here to enable your Microsoft 365 trial subscription, just like earlier, what we did sign up for is Office 365, not Microsoft 365. So it's a little bit misleading. So this part here is where we're actually going to then additionally subscribe to Microsoft 365, specifically Microsoft 365 E5. That's the one that we want so that we get all of the features that Microsoft Defender XDR offers. So first off, you go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So once we're in Microsoft 365 Admin Center, what the guide tells us to do is to go to Billing and then Purchase Services. But if we go to the Admin portal, you will notice that there is no such selection that we can go to. There is no purchase under Billing. So, but what we need to do is just go to Marketplace. And then right over here in Search All Products, we're just going to narrow it down to Microsoft 365 E5. Microsoft 365 E5. All right. It's going to show us, it's not very it's not very granular when I try to search it this way. So what I would do is I would do a Control F, and then I would put in Microsoft 365 E5 there, and I will search it using that. So, and there it is right here, Microsoft 365 E5. So this is the one that we want to do a free trial on. So Microsoft 365 E5, I've already signed up for this, so I'm not going to go ahead and click that. So, but then for you, you just simply sign up for a free trial. It's also going to be 30 days, as the same as the Office 365 E5 trial as well. After step one, all of these would still apply. So these instructions are still pretty accurate. So just go through them, and that's pretty much it. That's how you set up your own Microsoft Defender XDR lab environment at home. That's pretty much it for this video. Any questions, just feel free to post that in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.